Baby Shark Fire and Rescue Play! Help! We're stuck at the construction site!
That should be all right. It doesn't need to be perfect. Oh, whoa! Oh, why is it shaking so much? The ladder fell down! Somebody please help!
I'm so tired. Maybe I'll just rest right here. Oh, no!
Phew, all done. I'll clean up that hole another time. Oh, the dirt is all falling on me!
Please save us! Is anybody there?
Oh my goodness! We need to call the fire rescue team fast! Okay, start with chest compressions. Press steady and deep.
You're doing a great job.
Fire Rescue Basics piece of fish cake! Fire station here! What's your emergency?
There's been an accident at the construction site!
An accident?
I'm trapped on top of a building. Logs fell on someone, and someone's stuck in the dirt. Please help us!
All right, we're on our way right now. Baby Shark Fire Rescue Team,
Roll out!
Baby Shark Fire Rescue Team, off to save our friends in need. Helmet on, fursuit on, ready to go. Rear, rear, honk, honk, rear, rear, honk, honk, rear, rear, honk, honk, go, go, go. Please help! Over there! Let's get the gear we need for the rescue. To save Thief Mommy Shark from way up there, what gear should we use? We need a rope to help her climb down safely. And how about a safety mat to land on softly? Maybe an umbrella?
Thief Mommy Shark might be cold up there, too.
Aha! Let's grab an emergency blanket to keep her warm. Gear's good to go. Let's get to the rescue. Thief Mommy Shark is stuck on top of the building. We have to help her fast. Let's throw the rope so that Thief Mommy Shark can catch it. We need to aim very carefully. Oh, it's kind of windy. Let's aim a bit more to the left.
Awesome! Thief Mommy Shark caught the rope.
Now, let's carefully lay out the safety mat so that Thief Mommy Shark can land safely. And blow it up. I don't think this will do. Wait, the pump! We have a pump! Let's pump with all we've got to make it inflate.
Well done! Now she can climb down safely.
Grab the rope and come down very slowly.
It's too high! What if I fall on the way down?
We've got a big safety mat down here. Don't worry.
I'm so cold.
Let's wrap Thief Mommy Shark with the emergency blanket.
I feel much better now. Thank you so much, Firefighter Baby Shark.
Oh, yeah! Rescue complete!
So scary, help me, save me, Baby Shark. Nice and slow, safe and sound, bring me down, Baby Shark. Anytime, anywhere, always there, Baby Shark. Firefighter Baby Shark.
Mission complete!
Help me! Help me, please!
Someone's in that pile of logs.
Oh no, this is terrible. Someone's trapped under there. Brooklyn, we need to help fast.
Crane fire truck? I'm sure a crane fire truck can lift the heavy logs.
That's a great idea. Here, use this to call for it.
Can you hear me? We need some help over here. Send the crane fire truck right away. Over.
Roger, the crane fire truck is on its way now. Over.
Wow! Dad, you're the best! Let's move all the logs with the crane truck. Oh, wait! It's not picking it up. Let's switch the hook to a different one so that I can pick up the wood. Which one should we use? How about a magnet? But wood isn't magnetic. Should we pick something else? All right, let's try the grabber claw this time. Now it's time to lift the logs. Yay, we did it!
Phew! Thank you so much, firefighter Baby Shark.
Oh, yay! Everyone is nice and safe.
It's collapsing, I'm stuck. Help me out, Baby Shark. Don't worry, wait right there, I'll get you out, Baby Shark. Anytime, anywhere, always there, Baby Shark. Firefighter Baby Shark.
Oh? Mission complete!
Here, I'm here.
I hear Thief Baby Shark's voice. He must be stuck under a pile of dirt nearby.
If we had an excavator, we could dig through the dirt really quickly. Here it is! Let's use the excavator to dig him out of the dirt. Where could Thief Baby Shark be? I think I heard something in that pile of dirt. Let's go check it out. Head straight forward. Then go up. We're here! Now, shall we start digging?
I don't think this is the one.
Help! I'm stuck over here.
Huh? I hear something from that pile over there. Let's head over to the second pile. This time, go toward the left. Then go down. Here we are. Let's get to digging the dirt.
Phew, I'm safe. Thank you, firefighter Baby Shark.
Not done yet. That hole could be dangerous, so we need to fill it up.
You're right. Someone else could fall in again. All done. Huh? The ground is all bumpy. We also need a road roller. All right. Now it's super safe. Another rescue complete.
I'm trapped, help me out, save me now, Baby Shark. Dig the dirt, fill it up, smooth the ground, Baby Shark. Anytime, anywhere, always there, Baby Shark. Firefighter Baby Shark.
Huh? Mission complete.
We're so sorry. We didn't think things would get so bad.
A small mistake can cause big trouble at a construction site.
Okay.
Friends, make sure you join me on the next rescue too.
Bye!